Swan, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Claremont, Lebanon, New London, Grafton, Hanover, Charlestown, Enfield, Canyon, Danbury, Newport, Grantham, Andover, Cornish, Croydon, Dorchester, Plainfield, Wilmot, Orange, Sunapee, and Springfield. This includes Interstate 89 between mile markers 30 and 60. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:15 p.m. for the following counties in New Hampshire: Grafton, Merrimack, and Sullivan. Recreation forecast for summits above 4,000 feet in northern New Hampshire and western Maine. Tonight, summits obscured. A chance of thunderstorms this evening.